Hi, in this video, I will show you how to rotate a picture within a frame in Canva. Not the frame, but just the picture. For example, I have this frame. This is a triangle frame, and I'm not going to rotate it like that. So that's not the goal. The goal is to just rotate the picture. And I'm going to put this picture of a snowy mountain and I'm going to rotate it. The first thing that you need to do is you have to double click on the frame like that, and this will bring you a cropping feature. And after that, you will see there is this icon, there is a rotating icon that you can click and then drag it to the right or to the left, and then you can rotate the orientation of the picture within the frame, but the frame is pretty much not moving or not change its rotation property. By the way, you can also use the left side menu right here. There is an option to enter the angle or the orientation of the image if you want to, and when you're done you can click done, and this is the result. Of course, you can always double click on it again to adjust the position or adjust the view of the frame, and yeah, you can fine-tune the position until you get the result that you want. So that's exactly how you can rotate a picture within a frame in Canva.